Behold the dimension of God's gifts, nature. This is the gift of nature. Gift of nature. See how lovely they are, having some sun bath. Beautiful time. Under the shed. Can you beat this? Come on. Wow. Wow. This is nature. Nature adventure. Come on. Having a good time. Wow, you can't beat this. Come on. Yeah, this is where you find them. After a cold bath, now they're having a sun bath. This is nature. Sometimes you need this quiet environment, quiet atmosphere to listen to yourself, listen to nature, listen to the birds, commune with nature, get yourself well grounded. This eases the stress and lots of pressure. Just sometimes a feel of nature might be all you need to ease off that stress, that pressure, and that anxiety. All right? Thank you.